Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're at the Averasboro battlefield in North Carolina. Now, as you can see here, the hours that they're open are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. They are closed Sunday and Monday. Now, it is free admission. All you have to do is go into the main center, visitor center, sign in, done. Easy peasy. The Averasboro Battlefield and Museum is dedicated to the Battle of Averasboro, a Civil War battle fought on March 16, 1865. The museum, founded in 1994 by the Averasboro Battlefield Commission, Inc., is located on the battlefield in Dunn, North Carolina. Now, they do have handicap accessible bathrooms outside, but it is across the parking lot, which is an ample parking lot, from the visitor center. And say hello to my little friend. He's the only one that would pay attention to me on this trip. What can I say? In March of 1865, the Battle of Averasboro, also called Averasboro, Smith's Mill, and Black River, was the first deliberate tactical resistance to the infamous march of federal forces through Georgia and the Carolinas. The battle was fought on a plantation of John Smith about 4 miles south of the Cape Fear River town called Averasboro. This is the entrance of the old Bluff Church churchyard and cemetery. Scottish immigrants formed this congregation here in 1758, and it remained in use until 1908. Casualties for fighting at Averasboro were high for both armies. Killed and wounded were approximately 650 Union and 800 Confederate casualties. Today, the cannons are silent. The battle-scarred plantation lands are quiet, but the memory remains of those, both military and civilian, who suffered and died during the Battle of Averasboro. Now, thank you for coming along with me, Elias, and Luann to the Averasboro Battlefield and Museum. So please check out Luann's and Elias's channels. Links down below. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.